Hey, Patty!
Hi, guys.
Wow, she brought us a present.
Well, actually, Alvin, it's for my nephew.
Huh, nuts. So, what is it?
Well, it's a power turbo racer.
A power turbo racer? Wow! Can I see it?
Well, Alvin, it's all wrapped up.
Alvin, we should start the song.
Dance school and everyone that dances and everyone. Hello. Merry Christmas this year and have a Happy New Year from Patrick.
My name's Daryl. Merry Christmas, dance school. I love you guys. Never forget. Merry Christmas, DK.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Love ya.
Love ya.
Peace, love, unity, and having fun.
What is it? Merry Christmas. Hope you have a very safe and good Christmas and a Happy New Year. And get to heart out this Sunday, guys. Woo!
Merry Christmas!
Monkey. Old school style. Wrecking.
Merry Christmas.
What's up?
What's up? Merry Christmas. And eat lots of food and take all the presents from under the tree. Even if it's not yours.
Happy New Year.
Man Christmas. Hey guys, Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy birthday. Hey. Yo, what's up?
Merry Christmas.
You're killing me.
Merry Christmas.
No.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, everyone. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Happy New Year to DK and the whole family.
Please be safe. Yo.
Travel safely.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Dance school.
Alvin, don't tear the wrapping.
Oops.
Don't take it out of the box, Alvin. Get out of that car. Don't you dare start it up.